Coldest temperature ever registered up here at Whiteface Mountain is minus 43 degrees. Alright, so we left the Poconos. Now we are in the Adirondack Mountains in New York, and we're here for a week as we work our way up to Nova Scotia. Today we're going to Whiteface Mountain. We're going to do the Esther Trail there. We're not going to hike all the way to Whiteface. That's like, I don't know, 12 hours? It's a long ways. So we're actually going to drive up to Whiteface, and Whiteface we're going to do a ridge trail. So we're looking forward to that. Come along with us. Coldest temperature ever registered up here at Whiteface Mountain is minus 43 degrees. I'm glad I wasn't here that day. It's interesting, there's 46 peaks in the Adirondack Mountains, and you'll see people with the ADK 46 patch, and it means they've done all 46 of them. They're all 4,000 feet or higher. Is that what it is? So I don't think we're going to be doing those in this week.
No, we're not. No.
but it's just neat to be out here and see all these, and to be on top of Whiteface Mountain, to see all the peaks. Today's been a beautiful day. Oh, and
Perfect.
Did I say that it was 55 degrees up there, and it's like 72 right now, and it's like
just wonderful.
1 o'clock and it's 72 degrees. So we're enjoying this weather.
Sunny and perfect.
Not a cloud in the sky. It's been beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we're in this, what's it called?
Stag Brook Falls.
Stag
Trail.
Brook Falls, and we're going to try and do this and enjoy this trail. Bye.
get up alone, too heavy on my own. The world is moving on, I'm searching for steady ground, a place to settle down. No reasons left to find. One day I'll change your mind, and it won't come easy, but I know it's worth the fight. And I will run across the rivers, anywhere with you. I won't give up, I'll take my chances, and I will follow you through the night. I'll follow you. I make the same mistakes, forget how much it takes. No reasons left behind. One day I'll make you mine, and it won't come easy, but I know it's worth the fight. And I know you can see it too, so keep me hanging on, and I will run across the rivers, anywhere with you. I won't give up, I'll take my chances,